Let's do some hip extension exercises. Let's start on your back with neutral through the spine, knees are bent. Take a breath in to prepare. As you exhale, squeeze into your glutes, keep the spine in neutral, lift the hips up. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, push into the heels, lift. Inhale, folding like a book. 2 more. Exhale, keep tight through the abdominals. Lower back down. 1 more time. Exhale, squeezing into your glutes. Keep your core tight and release. This time we're adding the leg march. Lift the hips up and exhale. Keep the hips stable. Right leg up, tabletop, bring it back down. Left leg up, lift and bring it back down. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Try to keep your weight nice and centered and hips stay parallel to the mat. Good. 1 more time. And release. Left side. Bring it back down and lengthen the tailbone away from the head as you bring the hips onto the mat. Doing the full Pilates bridge now. So exhale, squeeze your bum, hips lift up, and right leg tabletop, flex and lower, point and lift through the tabletop, release it back down. Left side, good, keep pulling the abdominals in, hips stay high and release. Exhale to lift, flex and low, point, lift and bring it back down. Good, keep your ribs slightly pulled in so you're keeping neutral through the spine. Few more times. Knees stay straight as you lower the leg. Left side. Good. Bring it back down. Take a breath in and fold like a book. Bring it back to the mat. Well done.